Pay with points using any of your Aventura credit cards. CIBC's Aventura cards let you collect Aventura points and use them toward your existing CIBC products and card balances. Once you've collected Aventura points through everyday purchases, you're just a few clicks away from using them to pay off your product balances. Log into your CIBC account using online or mobile banking. From here, there are a few ways to pay with points. One way is to click on any of the CIBC rewards links found on the homepage. Here, you can see your Aventura points balance and a list of ways to redeem them. Select Payment with Points and simply use the drop-down to select the amount you wish to put toward the balance of your Aventura credit card. Another way is to enter online banking and select your Aventura credit card. From there, simply click on the Payment with Points link. That's not all. You can also select the Financial Products tab to use your points toward your other CIBC financial products, including a mortgage, line of credit, or investment accounts such as TFSAs or RSPs. That's right, you can use your points toward many CIBC products. Select the product you wish to pay. Select Pay, and voila, you've paid with points. With an Aventura credit card, there are many ways to earn and redeem. Log on to your CIBC account to learn more about redeeming points today. Check out our Aventura Points videos on how to earn and how to shop with points.